guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. You are watching Boutique by Astrid. So I'm really excited for today's video. I'm going to be doing my first ever acrylic nail application. I'm really excited for 3 reasons. The first reason being because this is the first time I'm filming for this channel. I have high hopes for it. The second reason is because this is my first ever acrylic nail application. I do want to do well, but I do understand that it's the first time I've ever done it, and so yeah, I'm kind of just gonna wing it and see how it goes. The third reason I'm excited, guys, is because we're actually going to see an experienced nail tech reaction to this. Experienced nail tech reaction. That's a proper tongue twister. She knows I'm on this journey, basically, and that I'm buying all my bits and bobs to start off with. She said she's gonna kind of like give me some hints and tips and help me practice and things like that, but I kind of just want to like try this myself, wing it, and just see what she thinks about it, really. I think this is going to be a funny video. So if it's not, don't judge me. Okay, I think it's funny, but it's okay. So basically, this is what I'm going to do. This nail right here, as you can see, has fallen off. I've done these beautiful nails for my birthday, shoot, basically. And I'll like put a picture somewhere, maybe like, yeah, that's me. Happy birthday. I'm 30, basically. So getting on now. Grades are coming out soon. But yeah, so, and it was also a shoot for my single Love that is coming out. If you guys don't already know, Astrid 𝘠𝘶 was my last YouTube channel that I had, and that's where I put all my songs and my gigs and things that I done. If you want to follow that, feel free. I am going to be uploading more music as time goes on, because that is like one of my first passions, so I'm not going to give that up at all. Plus, the music that you're hearing throughout my channel is going to be, you know, from me and my husband. My husband's a producer. I'm going to do basically like a get to know me, who am I, and what is Boutique by Astrid. So I'll leave the link up here if I've done that video already, because I'm not sure if I'm going to upload this one first or that one first. I'm kind of just recording and just seeing how this goes, but I will get better with this. I'm at my mum's house right now. You know, I haven't got all my equipment. Let's see how this goes. This is where Minty's going to come to later, so it was like perfect to do the video here right now. So yeah, let's go see how this acrylic application goes, and hopefully I don't make an atrocity, basically, and hopefully it doesn't go too horribly wrong. But yeah, let's check it out. The kids are asleep right now, so this is my time, people. This is my time. All parents know that nap time is like serious downtime, like us. So I'm gonna do this right now before baby wakes up, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, ladies, so here goes nothing. I'm going to get a better setup. Obviously, as I said before, I'm at my mum's house, so I'm kind of just like using this corner, looking crazy, but it's okay, girl. It's okay. I'm gonna do it. This is what my nail looks like right now. I'm going to prep it. So to begin with, I have the basics. Obviously, I have my nail filer, my application brush, I have my acrylic powder. I'm just going to do it in clear. I have my nail and my nail glue. I have my liquid monomer. I have a cute 6-watt nail lamp, and then I just have like my acetone with a little wipe, and hopefully I can get it done before Minty comes. And I'm not going to rush or anything. I just want it to be the best I can do it after watching all these YouTube videos. So let's see how this goes. This is what my nail looks like right now, so let's get prepping. So this is what my nail looks like right now. I definitely need to clean up some of the edges out here. I don't have like a base or a primer, so I'm going to do it anyway. I don't know if that's like terrible, but beginner's life, yeah, so don't judge me. I'm going to apply this clear acrylic powder. I'm actually so scared, like you don't even understand. Let's do this nail glue. I just clipped my nail glue so I can use it, and I'm just gonna pop it on here. This is actually insane. I'm so terrified. Hopefully I don't get glue all over my... I can't believe I'm trying to do this. I actually can't believe this right now. Let me hold it on there for a bit in case it pops off. Hopefully not. Please don't pop off. Okay, so yeah, I guess it's on there. But just to be extra, I think I'm just gonna add some glue. I don't know if this is like supposed to be done. Okay, so now that this nail is on, I'm just gonna buff it. I'm just gonna file it. And the shape is pretty much perfect already, so I'm just gonna keep it the way it is. Can you imagine if this just pops off like while I'm filing it? So this file is 80/80. I have got my own file that is 100/180 grit, so I know that one will probably be better. I think I should let me grab that. To be honest with you, the 81 feels a bit coarser. Okay, I'm just gonna use this one because clearly I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm learning, guys. I'm learning just as you are. And so I know I have to kind of like file this part down a bit so it blends a bit nicer without ruining my nail at all. Just making sure I have it on the plastic. Okay, so let me just go ahead and file the rest of the nail and get that ready before I do this application. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm just going to clean the excess dust off and we can start this application. Okay, so here we are. I'm actually going to do this. Like, I don't think I've ever been so scared in all my life. Like that. Got my brush. It's a 16 brush. Have a look at that. I'm going to be doing this with my right hand, which is actually so scary. So what I'm doing is I'm just dipping the brush in the monomer, just dripping it a tiny bit. And I'm just going to dab this in here 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I've got a little bead right there, you can see it. And I'm going to try and put this on here before it dries. Okay, so definitely this brush is too... Guys, what is happening? Please, I think oh my gosh, is this supposed to... Oh my gosh, I'm ruining it. Okay, so I'm just going to take that off because that's like horrible. Okay, so what did I do wrong there? I think I got too much powder, right? Let's try this again, please. Let's try this again. Okay. So I'm just going to have a little bit this time. Oh my days, it stayed in there. What is going... Bro. Oh my... Oh no, I've ruined it. I've ruined it, girls. I've ruined it. Okay, no, maybe I should wait for Minnie, but I'm actually going to try this again. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, that was terrible. I think this brush is too big though. Like, I actually think the brush is too big. And I don't know if this is like, this is obviously not like A1 acrylic powder. Like, do you know what I mean? This is like some cheap thing I got from eBay just to test. And it's kind of not doing what it's supposed to do. Or I don't know if I'm not doing what I'm supposed to do. So I'm just gonna like... Look, what is happening? Why is it doing that? Well, that one's kind of like stuck. Okay, so I'm just going to make sure there's not that much liquid on here. Let's try this again. And honestly, I was really excited to do this. And now I'm kind of just like, ugh, I hope this works. Okay, let's put a tiny bit on. Let's see how a tiny bit works. Oh my days, I have it all over my face. This looks terrible, people. Terrible. Okay, let me try this again. What am I doing though? This has to be something that I get better with time though, right? Oh my days, bro. Do you know what? I'm actually excited to show her this because she's gonna just laugh her head off. Do you know, it's just horrible and clumpy, and like I gotta figure out how I'm gonna be holding my brush and everything. Being right-handed and holding the thing with your left is actually a mission. So I thought I'm getting better at this now. So I'm starting to realize how much powder to liquid ratio I'm needing. But this is still looking terrible. Oh my days, I can't wait for you guys to see this in the light. It looks atrocious. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a bit more liquid. Don't even need that much. Not even gonna lie to you girls. Like anything that you pick up is just going to set so quick. So, oh my days, what is this mess? Do you know what? I just knew it was gonna look terrible. But it's not that bad. Look, I got the hang of it after like the first two big clumps. Then I realized I was just like getting too much. Okay, I'm just gonna pick that off. Oh my days, this is like the reality of learning something brand new. This looks so bad, I can't even explain to you. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Wait, let me just have a look on the side. What does it look like on the side? Wait, is this out of focus? Okay, look at this. So it doesn't look as bad as I actually thought it would be, but it's still terrible. So yeah, I'm just gonna cure this for a little bit on my cute little curer. I'm gonna keep this away. And we'll see how this works out. I have officially messed this up, like it's actually terrible. Okay girls, so I'm just gonna double check if this is dry. I am making a royal mess, but it's okay. It's a journey. Okay, I dropped something and I don't even know what. Okay, so I'm just gonna, okay, so I think this needs a little bit more curing. So I'm just gonna leave that in there for a little bit more. Please, yeah, somebody. This looks an absolute mess. I don't even know where to begin with what this looks like. First of all, yeah, SOS. Okay, look at this inside here. It's like I caught too much liquid, and I mean I caught too much of the powder and the liquid didn't quite like run through it. So when I put it down, because it was drying so fast, it dries so fast that it kind of just has these white spaces in here. That part there is the nail tip. I think I just have to get ones that ain't so like curved, because when I put it on I just had to like squeeze it down, and I guess it kind of like made that. So get the correct nail tips, ladies. I will be doing reviews on different nail tips and everything like that, but I just wanted you guys to see the absolute truth. Like, this is where we begin. Okay, this is where we begin. Okay, so I'm going to, I mean, it's okay, but just for the sake of it, I'm going to cure it for a tiny bit more. And yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like this so she can see my absolute beginning of a journey. Okay, so I'm just going to cure it for a little bit more. Okay, there you go. That's done. So, aha, that's the sound we need. Okay, so that's the sound I'm looking for. And please, yeah, this is so bad. I'm going to leave it just like this, and I'm going to wait for Minty to come, and I'm going to show her.
What are you doing, Sam? What am I doing? You know what time it is.
So I wanted to like show you something.
What are you doing? What's he doing?
Well, he's filming you right now. Let me take my headphones off.
Why?
I kind of tested one by myself.
What did you see?
Can I just say I was like so scared to do it, and I was like, yeah, so like,
oh my gosh.
bro, please, yeah. Can I just show you these boxes that came off at first, and I think I'm like, this was like my first few scoops of that stuff.
Yeah, you've got to know that.
Guys, please, yeah, look at this mess. How crazy. Now what I'm going to do, guys, is file it, try and get it in the best shape that I can, and see if I can add some polish. Let's see if we can save this. for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep on with my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you love the content. There will be more. I'll be giving you guys so much information about branding and marketing and loads of different things with social medias, Instagram and YouTube. I'll also share some tips with how I'm doing my Shopify, what I've done so far. Email marketing, I know that's a bit of like a tricky one for some of you girls. Hopefully you guys follow my journey and hopefully my nails get better with time. Bye.